Lisbon, a city where every cobblestone tells a story. We begin our journey in Alfama, the oldest and most soulful neighborhood in the city. Here, the rhythm of life is slow and steady. You can hear the distant echoes of fado music drifting through the air from the local taverns. It's a labyrinth of history, where the aroma of grilled sardines and freshly baked bread fills the narrow alleys. Every corner reveals a new perspective, a hidden courtyard, or a sudden view of the shimmering Tagus River. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. No visit to Lisbon is complete without seeing the legendary yellow trams. They are the moving pulses of this ancient city. The wooden interiors and the mechanical hum transport you back to another era entirely. Rising above the houses is the Sé Cathedral, a fortress-like structure that has witnessed centuries of transformation. The walls here are canvases, decorated with the beautiful azulejos that give Lisbon its unique character. Life spills out onto the streets, vibrant and unpretentious. It's a sensory experience at every turn. High above the city, the Castelo de São Jorge stands as a timeless sentinel, watching over the centuries of change below. At Miradouro das Portas do Sol, the city opens up, revealing a sea of terracotta tiles reaching for the water. The river is the city's constant companion, reflecting the golden light of the Mediterranean sun. The sound of the Portuguese guitar is the heartbeat of Lisbon, soulful and filled with saudade. And of course, there is the taste. The flaky, custard-filled pastéis de nata are a culinary rite of passage. Coffee here is an art form, best enjoyed slowly while watching the world go by. While steeped in history, Lisbon embraces the contemporary. Street art breathes new life into ancient walls. In the heart of the Baixa district, the Santa Justa lift connects the lower streets to the higher ground of Carmo. From its peak, the geometric layout of the Baixa district is revealed in all its neoclassical glory. The famous Mar Largo pavement feels like walking on the waves of the ocean that shaped this nation. As evening approaches, the city takes on a golden hue, making everything feel almost magical. The 25 de Abril Bridge begins to glow, a modern landmark connecting the historic heart to the future. We'll leave the quiet streets of Alfama behind and head toward the vibrant energy of Bairro Alto in our next segment. There is so much more to explore in this city of 7 hills. We've only just begun our walk. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.